Hi guys, I am Swanand Deshpande, recently CA Foundation pass out, and in this 2.5 months, I am going to tell you the most important topics of all subjects to score 250 plus. So let's get started. In accounts, you need to give more focus on journal entry chapters like rectification of error, issue of share, bonus share, right share, debentures, preference share, its redemptions, because it carry 20 to 30 marks. If you have done this chapter very deeply, you have acquired 30 marks. Then you can go through theory. If you have not good in accounts, so you can watch one shots of Hardik sir. His one shots have really helped me to score 60 in accounts. So he has given, I think, 2 hours or 3 hour one shot of theory. Go and watch it. All true false have been covered, and all the theory like accounting policy standards, all the functions and all the detailed one shot of theory has been given by him. So I will share the link in description. Go and watch it. If you have covered theory, it comes for 10 marks, 30 or 10 40 marks you have covered in accounts. If you go through the main chapters, then you can go through final accounts. Final account has been asked in last two attempts daily, last two attempts, so you can go through final accounts. Final account will give you 15 marks, so 55 marks has been done. Or you can go through any other chapter like partnerships, admission retirement, it carried 20 or 25 marks, 60 plus has been scored. So let's go to cons. So cons mainly have maths and stats. Maths comes for 40, stats come for 40, and logicals come for 20. I suggest you to go through stats, cover all chapters of stats by Anurag sir in PW channel. Go and watch it. If after covering stats, you can go through logical reasonings for all four chapter like blood relation, direction test, and all remaining two. It's very simple. You need to give more MCQ practice and a more mock test paper. RTP and MTP and PYQ are the main role to crack CA foundation. So please don't skip RTP in the maths. You can go through mathematics of finance. It cover 15 marks. Mathematics of finance has a main role in maths section. Then you can go through sequence and series, permutation and combinations, and don't skip equations and inequalities, because very simple questions of 2 3 marks has been came for inequalities. And I will also suggest you to don't learn calculus. Don't learn calculus, I am recommending you, because if you have non maths and if you are maths like derivations, integration has been come for only 2 marks. So studying for long and hours and only for 2 marks is very useless. Don't skip, don't study calculus, okay? So if you go through law is very hard in CA foundation, but it can be very simple if you follow my plans. So please firstly focus on Indian Contract Act, because it covers 32 marks. पूरे यूनिट्स को डीपली करो, पूरे यूनिट्स को प्रॉपरली करो, प्रॉपरली एनालाइज करो, प्रॉपर लैंग्वेज करो, उसमें क्या देकर है क्या देकर। अगर आपको समझ गया, आपने लैंग्वेज को थोड़ा देख लिया, तो भाई अगर 95 का सॉल्व भी करो, अपने मन से नहीं लिखने का है, पर 95 तक 100 तक सॉल्व करो, आपको 40 प्लस तो आराम से मिल जाएंगे। मैंने 3 अटेम्प्ट में 95 प्लस का सॉल्व किया है, पर ज़्यादा डीपली लैंग्वेज नहीं मैं लर्न किया, तो मैं 40 प्लस आए हैं। सो प्लीज़ गो थ्रू इंडियन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्ट, then you can go through companies act, then soga, but solve all 100 marks paper. If you go through economics, I personally recommend you to go through love sir one shots, because love sir one shots have really helped me to score 65 in economics in just 2.5 months. But I have skipped international trade, still I score 65. I skip international trade, I skip business cycle, then but the first two, micro and macro, have been covered by Hardik sir, Hardik Manchanda, in his channel. Go and watch it. It is very helpful. If you have done this too, go through price determination in different markets, and national income. It's carried 30 marks. 55 plus is very simple in economics if you follow these plans. So don't waste your time. Go do what I have tell you, and I will share the link of the all Hardik Manchanda, Anurag sir, Love sir videos in description. So please watch it, and if you like the video, go like, share and subscribe.